Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 27th of November, 2022. Let's get into this. We're going to talk about Snapchat today. You guys see I already had a price prediction on the chart all the way back on September the 3rd, looking for the price to go higher. It got rejected right where I said it was going to occur, so I'm not surprised to see that. Congratulations to those who got that 12% out the market, because if you didn't, you would be down. Yeah. That's one of the biggest things about understanding how the price chart works, is because you know when to get in and when to get out. You kind of get a proximity as to where you need to let things go without being emotionally tied to it. Let's talk about this now. So what do you think the market in Snapchat is about to do now? What do you guys think? Let me just go ahead and identify what the market action in Snapchat has been doing over the last couple of trading days. Now take a look. We had a small spat to where the price in Snapchat fell below $9.25. Okay, cool. Now, one thing I wanted to identify is this area right here. So you guys can kind of tell, look how tight this trading range is right now in Snapchat. Massively tight trading range, right? So this is where our contention is going to be at between the buyers and the sellers. Cool. So given that these two lines are drawn on the chart, which one do you think is going to break first, right? From a probabilistic basis, that's how I think about stocks. I put this on probabilities. What is the probability of us seeing the price break $12 to the upside? Is it greater than us seeing price break below 10 in Snapchat right now? Because if it is, then that tells us where the opportunity lies, right? So look at this on the weekly chart then. Let's talk about this on the weekly chart in Snapchat. So you guys can see that over the last couple of weeks, these weekly price bars right here tells me that the market is trying to keep price up. They're not trying to let the market fall below 10. By looking at those weekly price bars here. Now we're not getting a follow through though, because you guys can see how the market in Snapchat following these massive spread bars, it comes right back down, right? So that kind of tells us that we may still stay within this trading range. Look at this on the 2 weekly chart. I think you guys can see it even here too. I don't see a lot of bullishness on the chart in Snapchat right now. Take a look at this though. From 3 weeks. So if we were to expect price to go higher, I can see it happening within the next 3 weeks because of this price chart right here. This is definitely showing me that the buyers is winning out against the sellers on a 3 weekly perspective time frame. The buyers are winning against the sellers. Now we still have 5 days and 5 hours left on this current 3 weekly price bar, which is weakness. So this week upcoming, it's going to be real important for us to get the confirmation that the market is buying, that the buyers are winning against the sellers. This upcoming trading week is going to be a determining factor to let us know if the market on a 3 weekly basis is going to go higher. Look at this on a 5 weekly chart. I can see it even here again. So from 3 weeks to 5 weeks, I'm seeing the strength on the chart in Snapchat. So you will literally have to wait that time at least for the market to give us that movement. Not a day, not 3 days, no, 3 weeks and 5 weeks. That's the time frame that we can possibly see the market in Snapchat trend higher. Okay, so how should we play this? Well, on a daily basis, you want to be ready for volatility. Okay, now this is a very tight range. I'm here to admit to that. Is the market in Snapchat ready to explode and go higher right now? Nah. That's something that's going to have to be seen on a day-to-day basis to see how the market is feeling. Let's look at this on the 7-hour chart. Okay. So I think you guys can tell this 1 7-hour price bar, how the market in Snapchat completely fell off a cliff, but it came back up. What does that mean? Yeah, it means that the market is here willing to buy the stock. Okay, let's look at this on a 1-hour chart. Three hours. Okay, look at this on a 5-hour chart. So what do you think? You think the market is going to go higher in Snapchat? Or do you think it's going to go lower? I'm going to play the market move higher in Snapchat. But again, we might have to let 3 weeks, 5 weeks pass before we actually see the market in Snapchat go up. Okay, now I'm going to give us a cushion, because even though I see support, namely coming in Snapchat around $9.45 or so, $9.40, I'm going to give us a cushion around $9, which means that as long as price in Snapchat holds this area at $9, we're going to continue to expect the greater probability of price going up is still there. Okay, now if the market in Snapchat does this, then obviously the greatest probability of where price is going to go is to the downside. It's just that simple. Now I'm going to give you a very close price target first. I really want to see the buyers take this area out right here, which is around 1050. If they do that, then again, I'm looking for price to at least run up to 1150. Okay, now right now that's only 3.34%, but that's my first price target. It might happen in the first 5 minutes of trading on Monday. My second one is going to be here around 11, which is 8.25%. And then my third one is going to be around 1150, which is around 12.75. From my perspective, looking at the chart alone, it looked like the probability or the opportunity lies with seeing this stock go higher as of right now. Now, of course, things is going to change every time the market works, because who came in and bought yesterday is not going to come back in and buy the next day. Those who came and sold the day before might be buyers tomorrow. This is how this game is being played. So you have to be agile and nimble in your thinking, your mentality, and not be gung-ho on one position. You got to learn how to see both sides in order to win in this game. I'm showing you all this on this channel. You guys want to join me, hit that like button. Should have been also subscribe here to the channel. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.